Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today's recipe is going to be a delicious and healthy one as it has lots of colorful seasonal veggies and it's mixed veg handi which is so good to enjoy with roti, naan or even with zira rice or steamed rice. So let's get started with this healthy and delicious veg recipe. And here in this bowl I have taken some colorful veggies which has been steamed like cauliflower cut into medium sized florets, carrots and beans cut diagonally, some peas as well as potatoes cut into this shape and size. And along with these veggies, I'll also include some onions cut into chunks like this, as well as tomato and capsicum cut into chunks of medium portions. And to add some protein to my veg handi, I'll also include some paneer or cottage cheese cut into cubes like this. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we will heat around a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a karhai or pan. And when the oil is slightly hot, we will add the steamed veggies into the karhai. And now on medium flame, we will saute the veggies for just 1 to 2 minutes until the color of the veggies slightly changes. We will now season the veggies with some salt as per taste and a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder. We will mix this well and saute them for another 1 minute. So by now our veggies are well sauteed. So I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. In the same karahi, we will add very little oil and into this we will add the onion, tomato and capsicum chunks. And now on medium flame we will stir fry them for a few seconds so that they retain their crunch. And these are also done, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. In the same karahai, we will add some more oil to make our mixed veg handi. And when the oil is hot enough, we will add into this half teaspoon of cumin seeds or sabut jeera. We will let this crackle for a while. Into this now we will add 3 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. On medium flame, we will saute this well until the raw taste of onion, ginger, garlic goes away and they turn golden brown in color. At this stage, we will add the puree of 2 large tomatoes. On medium flame, we will saute the tomato puree until the raw taste goes away and the water from the tomato puree dries out. As you can see, the tomato puree has been well sauteed by now. So we will season the tomato puree and the onion, ginger, garlic which will form the base of our veg handi with some salt as per taste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder for color, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder for spiciness, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder. On low flame we will mix all the spices well, stirring them continuously so that they don't get burned. I'll add now little water so that the spices and the onion tomato base gets well cooked and are combined well. And now at this stage we will add 2 tablespoons of cashew paste which will make the gravy creamy and thick. We will now stir and mix the cashew paste well for a minute or so till they are well combined. And adding cashew paste will give a creamy texture and flavor to the gravy. I'll add now a splash of water to form a thick gravy-like consistency. We'll mix this once. And now time to add our sauteed vegetables into the gravy. We'll now mix the vegetables well with the gravy. I'll add now some water as the gravy has turned out thick. We'll mix this once. And now we will cover and let the vegetables cook on low to medium flame for just 5 to 6 minutes as they are already 80% cooked. It's 8 minutes now. Let's check the veggies. I'll check a piece of potato as they take the longest time to get cooked. So this means that all the veggies are well cooked. And now into this we'll add the paneer cubes as well as the stir-fried onion, tomato and capsicum chunks. We will gently mix this along with the gravy. Finally, I will add 2 green chillies slit into half. Then goes half teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder. Some crushed Kasoori methi. This will give a nice flavor to our veg handi, as well as some chopped coriander leaves. We'll give a final mix and allow the veggies to simmer for another 1 minute so that the flavors of garam masala and Kasoori methi is well incorporated in the gravy. And friends, our mixed veg handi is now ready to be served hot. So friends, do try this delicious and healthy veg handi recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.